Did you know that Vicks Vaporub has been used for over a century and continues to surprise people with its unexpected benefits? While most of us think of it as just a remedy for congestion, this little blue jar has a lot more to offer. From skincare to household hacks, here are 13 surprising Vicks Vaporub uses you must know. Number 1. Treating cold sores. Cold sores are painful, annoying, and highly contagious. They're caused by the herpes simplex virus, which affects a large portion of the population. While there's no permanent cure, Vicks Vaporub can help speed up the healing process. Thanks to its antiseptic properties from camphor and eucalyptus oil, applying a small amount at the first sign of tingling can reduce inflammation and prevent the sore from getting worse. Some people even find that using it consistently can reduce the frequency of outbreaks. Number 2. Relieving eczema symptoms. Eczema is a chronic skin condition that causes redness, itchiness, and inflammation. Prescription treatments can be harsh, but Vicks Vaporub offers a gentler alternative. The combination of menthol and eucalyptus helps to soothe irritation and moisturize dry patches. Apply a thin layer to the affected area to relieve itchiness and reduce flare-ups. Many users report that consistent use can help manage symptoms without the need for steroids or other medications. Number 3. Removing warts. Warts are caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV, and can be stubborn to get rid of. Vicks Vaporub can be an effective home remedy. Simply apply a generous amount to the wart, cover it with a bandage or gauze, and repeat this twice a day for about 2 weeks. The menthol and camphor work to suffocate the wart, making it disappear over time. Isn't that cool? Sorry, I had to put that no intended pun in. Some people also find that combining Vicks with crushed aspirin speeds up the process. Number 4. Reducing acne breakouts. Acne can be frustrating, but Vicks Vaporub might just be the solution you haven't tried. Its antibacterial properties help reduce swelling and redness. Apply a small dab on pimples and leave it on overnight. The menthol will help dry out the breakout while soothing the surrounding skin. If you have sensitive skin, use it sparingly to avoid irritation. Number 5. Relieving headaches and migraines. One of the most well-known uses of Vicks is for relieving headaches. The menthol scent helps relax muscles and ease tension. Simply rub a small amount on your temples and forehead. The cooling sensation will provide relief, especially for sinus headaches or migraines. For an extra boost, try inhaling the vapors deeply or adding a small amount to a bowl of hot water for a steam treatment. Steam opens up the air passages in your lungs, making this a double dose of relief. Number 6. Healing dry and cracked heels. Cracked heels can be painful and unsightly, but Vicks Vaporub can help soften the skin. Apply a thick layer before bed. Put on a pair of cotton socks and let it work overnight. In the morning, wash your feet with warm water and use a pumice stone to exfoliate. Repeating this routine will leave your feet smooth and hydrated. This method is especially effective in colder months when dry skin is more common. Number 7. Fading stretch marks. Stretch marks are common, but if you're looking for a way to make them less noticeable, Vicks might help. The anti-inflammatory ingredients in the formula improve skin elasticity. Apply it daily, and within a few weeks, many people notice their stretch marks becoming less prominent. Some even mix Vicks with vitamin E oil for added skin benefits. Number 8. Relieving muscle and joint pain. The soothing and cooling properties of Vicks make it an excellent remedy for sore muscles and joint pain. Whether it's after a workout or due to arthritis, applying Vicks to the affected area provides relief. Massage it in 3 to 4 times a day for the best results. Athletes and older adults alike swear by this method for quick recovery and long-lasting relief. Number 9. Repelling mosquitoes. If mosquitoes seem to love you, Vicks can act as a natural repellent. The strong menthol scent keeps insects at bay. Apply a little to exposed skin before heading outdoors, or even rub some onto clothing for extra protection. If you do get bitten, applying Vicks can also reduce itchiness and swelling. Many campers and outdoor enthusiasts use this trick to stay bite-free. Number 10. Relieving earaches. An earache can be caused by infections or sinus congestion, making everyday activities unbearable. For temporary relief, rub Vicks around the outside of your ear. For extra relief, place a small amount on a cotton ball and insert it gently into the ear. This will help alleviate pain while you seek medical treatment if necessary. It's a great way to manage discomfort while waiting for antibiotics to take effect. Number 11. Treating toenail fungus. Toenail fungus is not only unsightly, but also difficult to treat. One of the active ingredients in Vicks Thymol has antifungal properties. Applying a thin layer of Vicks on the affected nail daily will help kill the fungus over time. Be patient. It may take several weeks for the healthy nail to grow back. For faster results, try pairing it with tea tree oil. Number 12. Healing bruises faster. Bruises happen to everyone, but you can speed up the healing process with Vicks. Applying it to a bruise helps break down blood clots under the skin, reducing discoloration faster. The anti-inflammatory ingredients also help with swelling. Some people find that mixing Vicks with a pinch of salt enhances its effectiveness. Number 13. Reducing belly fat and cellulite. While Vicks won't make fat magically disappear, some people use it as a topical treatment to improve skin firmness. Mixing Vicks with baking soda, camphor, and alcohol, then applying it to the stomach and wrapping it with plastic wrap can create a tightening effect. This method may temporarily reduce the appearance of cellulite and make skin look smoother. While not a substitute for diet and exercise, it's a popular trick before special events. Beyond personal care, Vicks has some unusual household applications that make it even more versatile. Fixing a squeaky door. If you're out of WD-40, Vicks can work as a temporary lubricant. Apply a small amount to door hinges, and the petroleum jelly will help eliminate squeaks. This is a handy trick for quick household fixes. Training your cats love scratching furniture, but they hate the smell of menthol. Rubbing Vicks on surfaces you want to protect can deter your feline friend from clawing at them. This method also works for keeping pets away from certain areas of the house. Loosening stuck zippers. If you have a stubborn zipper that just won't budge, applying a little Vicks can help. The petroleum base provides just enough lubrication to get it moving again, decongesting sinuses naturally. Beyond its traditional use on the chest, Vicks can also be used as a steam inhalation remedy. Adding a teaspoon of Vicks to a bowl of hot water and inhaling the vapors deeply can clear sinuses fast. It's an excellent natural alternative to nasal sprays. Vicks Vaporub is far more than just a congestion remedy. From skincare to pain relief, this little jar has an impressive range of uses. Whether you're looking for a natural way to treat cold sores, repel mosquitoes, or even fade stretch marks, it's worth keeping Vicks on hand for everyday solutions. Try these surprising tricks and see how many ways this common household staple can benefit you. Got any other genius Vicks Vaporub hacks? Share them in the comments. If you found this video meaningful, please hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more videos on personal growth and healing. And as always, thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.